احنا هنتكلم على البنك ستيتمنت. تمام. طيب البنك ستيتمنت كده خلينا نتكلم كده. what is the procedures or what is the four steps we are going in Odoo to handle it. First of all, you are gathering the record from يعني we are going to take the bank statement from يعني pull the bank statement and comparing by cash ledger in the same period. Then we خلاص gathering the record, we are taking the compare or to compare the transactions, then we will going to identify the differences, and then we will adjust and confirm. Okay, so if we are talk about what is we are going to handle inside the book balance and the يعني what is will be adding and what is will be deducting from our book balance. So, for example, if we're going to add, we will add deposit in transit not yet posted in the bank. We will add the interest income which is credited by bank. We will add the of the period, and if we have electronic receipt not yet recorded in the ledger. So all of this is something to be posted or to be added in our book balance. Okay, then what regarding for the deduction, if we need to deduct from our bank to reconcile or to justify and adjust and make balancing, we have outstanding check not yet cleared by the bank. Second one is bank services charges and monthly fees. Regarding for NSF check which is returned unpaid, and we have automatic debits and automatic debits which is not entered in our ledger. So that is the bank or the common reconciliation items, okay, which is handled in our book to be compared with the bank statement. So if we are going now to Odoo, okay, let us move to Odoo. For example, I do some transaction. Okay, so we have this one, we have this bill. Okay, and on the hand, we have a bill is paid, we have invoices paid, we have invoices not paid, we have some adjustment in in our dashboard. So let us suppose that we are going to the invoices, okay, and let us see how dashboard is going. Yeah, for example, I go for this bank, whatever you are going to handle the situation by creating the transaction manually, or you can import one file. So if we are going to handle if now inside the dashboard or bank statement, for example, I will be add this invoices. Yani, for example, here I going to add what I going to add. This is in payment, so it's not paid. I will be take this is copy of no, the number of it, and this is related to open what. Okay, so in the bank statement, once I going to pay this one, I can make it here whatever I need in the inside the label. But if in case something is recorded in our ledger, we can refer for the label or the reference. Then I will define the amount by 300. Let us say we are added 300. Okay, automatically Odoo is reflected as open wood partner, okay, and adjusted the running balance. Then I need to, as I take this one for the in payment one, I mention only 300 amount is recorded, and this is the one. For invoice number 15 is not paid in our ledger, okay, but once we are going for bank statement is recorded, so I will be going here and add a new line and refer for the label and refer for the of this one. I will be big the amount from the bank, for example, is 700, so I will make it 700. Then automatically Odoo is pick up the partner name. If I took any bill, any payment from our side to our suppliers, I can take this one. Okay, يعني what I mean by this is in payment and this is the invoice number. Okay, so I can take this invoice number, add define here label, and refer for this one. Refer for the payment is 900 real, right? 900 real. Okay, so now this is the bill number. Okay, but there is something here. Bill number, after I adding, there is no picking of it. Yani still system is not picked. If I go for the Canavan view, I can see this is adjusted. This is adjusted. See, it's automatically adjustment, automatically reconciled. So in this case, system is not recognized. This is amount for what? You can manage it manual, reconcile, or you can add the specific account for it manual. Like for we have a fees, we have payment done and not recorded. We'll reconcile it manual. But if I talk about this transaction, and we have payment related to it, let us take this one. I will be take this one and go for the bank at dashboard again for the transaction. Record this transaction. Okay. Let us go for the list view and create new one and define the label. Add the amount is 900. Okay, it's 900. Okay, just a minute. We need to adjust this one. First of all, let us define this 900. Okay, then open the view here. So now this is what will be do. This is 900 and this is the um, amount. And let's suppose that I need to do something here. First of all, let us delete this one and delete this one, and then we will do it again. No issue. Try to delete and define new. Define the label. Define here the amount of 900 real. Okay. Okay. Now, if I go for Canavan view, I need to. We have here to set account. If we need to set account and reconcile, and I will be select the account and make it reconcile manually, or I will make it reconcile. So system in this case is presented to us what is the payment or whatever bad it's payment or it's invoices I need to reconcile with it. So reconcile is refer for this 900. I need to reconcile with which invoice, or you need to reconcile manually with account. So I go for the A for set account. We can define set partner. Yeah, let us suppose set partner. So in this case, I can define the partner. What is the partner for this one? Ready map. So let us define ready map set partner and define here ready mat. So now system Odoo is referring you have this is bill if we need to reconcile with it. So I can reconcile all and make it adjustment. Okay. So there is automation for the reconciliation. Okay. And if we need to debit or credit, we can handle this one. Right. Let us say we have this or يعني I recorded as 900 today. I created new transaction and I take this copy name. I copy this name. Let us go for bank statement and define this number. Only the first number I need to make it. And I mention here by negative 900 real. it's automatically reconciled. It's automatically reconciled because we have a bill and we have a payment versus this bill. Okay, so Odoo, Odoo reconcile. No need manual adjustment. You are define the record, you are do the payment, so you define by negative value, so you can, it's automatically reconcile. So for this number of transaction, okay, today I need to create a statement. For example, I mentioned statement 01, okay, for this month, and I create the statement for this record, and this is the ending balance, and save it. I just, this is the bank statement I take, then I make update. So now, according to this statement, if I need to open the statement and print the statement of Odoo, which is including four transaction, you can do it by print the bank statement. Okay, so let us print and take the screenshot or the what the this is. I will show to you the printout. Okay, this is the bank statement. Whatever is negative, whatever is start and ending balance. And if we are going for our invoices now, I can see what is paid, what is not paid. يعني we, which is meaning is fully, or we are do the reconciliation. Just loading. See, now that is paid, that is in payment, still not fully recognized or not fully settled. And if we need to check the vendor bill, we are do one bill now, or closing is a payment, and it's the status is it changed from in payment to paid. So if you have any question, you can book a demo for consulting service or for business need, whatever you need in the accounting management, in the workflow itself. So we will give to you the right solution, the best practice in Odoo in your business need. Thanks. Bye bye.